welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Peggy and I'm doing a lot of sewing and fashion videos. Today I have a tutorial for this pink contrast classic top that inspired by Chanel Spring 2021 ready-to-wear fashion show. The collection transports back in time to the old Hollywood glamour of the 1950s, and the classic edgy feminine spirit closed out the season with a bang. I am fall in love with every look from the runway, and the pastel pink knitwear adorned with contrasting detail really catch my eyes. So without further ado, let's get started. From this video, I'm going to show you how to make this top with just doing some tracing on a top we already have and do some changing on the measurement to fit perfectly with what you want it to be. And for today, I'm choosing a stretches top with a little bit of high neck, which I think the overall size and pattern is what I wish to have from my classic Chanel top. Since it is a stretches top, I might need to be a little bit generous with the fabric at the beginning because every single piece of fabric stretches a different amount, and I don't want to copy my stretches top on the stiff fabric and then find out that now it is too small. Stay till the end of the video for more cute shots of the top and how I style it. that's how you make the classic Chanel top. Hope you enjoy and hope you learn a few new techniques. As usual, more photos of this will be on my Instagram. And don't forget, if you make any of my things, use hashtag #MakeWithPeggy so I can find it and shower love on it. And if you are all the way here without subscribing, just subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!